is cradled in large valleys protected by majestic green hills and surrounded by enchanting flora and fauna. Manas, a wildlife sanctuary, is one of the Bodoland's natural beauty located in Buxa district in the Himalayan foothills. It covers an area of 950 km square. The name of the park originated from the Manas river, which is named after the serpent goddess Manasa. Dipla is a beautiful eco-park in the district of Kokrajhar. It is also a picnic spot and a home for migrant birds. Gaurang Park is a beautiful natural park in the district of Kokrajhar by the riverside of Gaurang River. The Bodo culture is a rich blend of colors, tradition, music and dance. They have their own cultural identity with various dance forms and musical instruments. Bodo people make their own traditional attire by weaving. They weave dokhana, which is their traditional dress. Bodo peoples have been farmers with a strong tradition of fishing, keeping poultry, piggery, rice, jute and potato cultivation, betelnut plantation. Bodo people are mainly into Batho religion. The Sijiu tree is an apt symbol of worship. The Bodo people lives in its basic social unit, the village. The houses are built of bamboo and straw thatch with a courtyard in between.